Here we have our ground deploy or movable 100 watt flexible solar panel. It's very lightweight, thin, in this case a Renogy solar panel. And as you can see, you have your regular connectors that I've then connected to a number 10 THHN cable. Nice thick cable, and it's got a long extension so that you can move it around. So this is beyond overkill really for what we're doing most of the time, but sometimes you're under the trees or there's obstructions and you need to be able to move this panel. In this case, I just suction cupped it to the nose, but it's a very sunny day and we're at 100% full battery power because it's super sunny out here in the San Luis Valley in Colorado. But what we've done is added this special connector, which is really made for a trolling motor, but it's high amp and very water resistant and not quite waterproof. But it has a rubber gasket right here that connects to a gasket that's inside of here. So you stick it in straight. There's an arrow on the top to insert, and then you twist it. And once it's twisted, it's locked in, and it's nice and dry. So you can see it says lock, unlock. And then we can put that panel on the ground, we can move it around, whatever we need to do. And that's wired directly through the hole in the wall. These cables run into this breaker, which then ties it into the solar array from the roof. And so this is adding 100 watts, and like I said earlier, it's totally overkill today because we have 875 watts on the roof and our batteries are completely full. But you get the idea. You could unclip those suction cups, take that panel, lay it on the ground. If you happen to be in the forest, which we obviously are not, we're out in the desert of Colorado. Plenty of sun today and making lots of power. So this is our example of our 100 watt ground deploy panel, which gives us a total of 975 watts, so almost a kilowatt. Tempted to add 25 watts somewhere just to say we have a kilowatt, but obviously it's completely ridiculous.